Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve problems on isometric. It is very much easy compared to solids and planes. Here we have a question. A rectangular pyramid of base 40 mm into 25 mm and height 50 mm is placed centrally on a rectangular slab of side 100 mm into 60 mm and thickness is 20 mm. Draw the isometric projection of the combination. First, we need to draw a rectangular slab on which a rectangular pyramid is located, and the center of the rectangular slab and the center of the rectangular pyramid coincide. First, I have drawn a baseline over here. Now I am going to change the snap settings. I'm going to enable isometric snap so that I can get 30 degree and 150 degree line straightly. I'm going to enable ortho. Here the function of ortho is to get 30 degree and 150 degree directly. First, I'm going to draw a rectangular slab of size 100 mm into 60 mm and height 20 mm. So you can take 100 on either side. I'm going to take it on this side 100. Next is 60, 100. Sorry for 100, 60. Now I don't need ortho because I am going to draw a straight line. So I have disabled ortho of height 20 mm. Now I'm going to enable ortho because it is easy to join all the points. You can enable ortho by using function F8 key, which is there on the keyboard. The rectangular pyramid and the rectangular slab, both the center should coincide. First, I'm locating the center of the rectangular slab. To locate the center of the rectangular slab, I am drawing the diagonals for the rectangle in the upper rectangular part. I am disabling ortho. The point of intersection of diagonals gives me the center of the rectangular prism as well as the rectangular pyramid. Now I am going to enable ortho. Here we are going to draw a rectangular pyramid from the center. So 20 mm this side. It is given 40. I am taking it as 20 because we are starting from the center. And this one, it is given as 25. I am going to take it as 12.5 because again the same reason, we are starting from the center. 12.5 again. Now I am going to draw box for this one. This is 20. Now I'll draw the full line. This one is 25. This one is 40. And this one is again 25. This one is 20. You should see properly that all the lines are intersected properly. You can see by zooming in properly. All the lines are intersected and the height of the rectangular pyramid is 50 mm. So I'm going to draw a straight line from the... I'm going to disable ortho because I need a straight line. 50 it shows. Okay. From this one I'm going to join all the 4 points of the pyramid. Now we need to trim the lines, and which are the lines which cannot be seen, we need to delete or trim. Will not be able to see this line also. This line also will not be able to be seen. And I'll use trim command. Trim and double enter. Zoom in, but this one also will not be able to see. And this full line will not be able to see. Delete it. This one will not be able to see, and this one also you will not be able to see. Now we need to reduce it to iso scale. We have drawn using the normal scale. For that one it is very easy. First you need to select all the objects. Now type scale using keyboard. Now it is asking to specify the base point. I'm specifying the base point, and I'm writing the unit scale factor 0.816. Now if you want, you can measure it using the scale. You'll get the iso scale. This is actually 100, but in the iso scale it is 81.6. We need to measure it. Now we need to darken the lines. It is very easy. First select our lines. That is, we need to thicken the lines, in other words. I'm going to use 0.5 mm thickness, and I'm going to use line weight settings. Here the display line weight option is enabled. If you can't see the thickness, you have to enable this. There you can see, and this one is the access line, and I'm changing this one to be done. And these two lines also cannot be seen, but that is the reference line, so I'm changing the thickness to 0.5. Okay, this line also. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment below for any suggestions.